What's up, everyone? Mikey here, and there's a thunderstorm going on. I just got home from work. Goddamn. Yesterday, when I did the sharpening video, someone asked me, do I know any pocket stones? And I do. I it's funny that someone asked me that because I just bought one at Walmart. Walmart. I love Walmart. I love I love Walmart. I just don't like the people in it. I love all people, don't get me wrong, but those people in Walmart make you want to drink. I bought this bad boy, $5. It's a course and a fine. And when I got it home, I tried it out. I mainly tried it out on my utility knives because that's what I use now at work. I'm always taking apart printers or taking, putting together filing cabinets for my boss, and I'm always cutting cardboard. So on one side to keep it a good edge on it. So I bought this. I tried it out. It was alright. It cut. I guess you could say it passed the nail test. That's when you put it on your thumb and see if it moves across your thumbnail. Don't do that if you're not experienced. But I wasn't too happy with it. So I thought every stone that I ever had, they had a breaking. They needed breaking in, whatever. I had a break in it. So I took, what's a grit on this? 2500 grit sandpaper, and I just sand it down a little, make it more smoother. I sand down every stone I get, to breaking it, like I said. And this stone, it works wonderful. It doesn't give you, what I like. I love toothy hair withering, Nobody needs it that sharp, kind of sharp. But this can get you a hair popping sharp if you do it right. And that's the thing. No matter what stone you buy, no matter what machine, it's an old saying. It's not the size of it, it's what you do with it. That's true. Well, not the size, but it's what you do with the object. If you do it the right way, you get good results. If you just half-ass it, and that's on you. Me, I'm thorough with everything that I do. So when I sharpen, I want a good edge. The edge is gonna help me, and this is gonna help me get a good edge. Even though it's $5. Let me tell you, this is a Harbor Freight stone. It will cost $2. And this is an India coarse and fine stone. Well, this is a Northern India. I get better edges on the Harbor Freight stone because it works well. This is good for reprofiling, but I seem to do better with the Harbor Freight. I don't know why. But it doesn't matter what you use. You just gotta know how to use it and what the steps on doing so. So my advice to beginners is go to Walmart or your local dollar store, buy yourself a $1 kitchen knife, buy you several $1 kitchen knives and practice. And if you want something that you can put in your back pocket, or like me, right in your Carhartt wheelchair tool bag, get yourself this at Walmart. I don't know what they're called. I know I had the wrapper, but you can find this probably Amazon. The other one that I know of, I had it before. It's called like a puck, and that's for like machetes and axes. It's shaped like a puck. It's basically for those tools, but I tried sharpening on it before, and I got a real good edge on it. You just gotta hold the stone correctly to get the right angle. So yeah, if you want something for your truck, your back pocket, your EDC bag, get yourself one. It definitely comes in handy. I love it. So, if you want any more tips or tricks or advice, well, let me tell you. Let me just do this real quick. I use DMT stones. So, this is my new one. No, this is my old one. This is what I use. This is what I use to reprofile my knives. This is a Northern India fine, and I don't really use a fine grit. I just use it coarse. And then I move on to my medium. This is a medium. The other side is a coarse, but I don't use that side. And then you can find all this on Amazon. So just put in DMT, this will come up. And then this is the fine stone. This is the ultra sharp fine 800 grit stone. I use that. And I'll move on to my big mama. That's an ultra sharp 1200 grit. I can get hair whittling edge off of this. If I'm feeling kind of stabby or slashy, I usually finish on this one, but if I want to go up, I move on to my Dan's Black Arkansas, and this will get you it depends on how much you do, but this will make it a slice, which I don't recommend for everyday carry. You can find all this again on Amazon. Ultra Sharp, DMT, course, India. If you do it right, you don't need a strap. You don't need no DMT paste. You don't need it. A lot of people tell you need this, you need that. You don't need it. All you need to know is how to do it. So that's about it. I love all of you. If you want sharpening done, let me know. Comment. I thought I had a book, but I love all of you. All of there you go. All of the support is overwhelming. And I can't thank you enough. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. And more videos are coming. I got a lot on my mind, so a lot of the videos are gonna come. So, love all of you. Like I always say, never give up, never surrender, and give loyalty and respect to everyone, especially your beautiful self. If you want to see beautiful, look in the goddamn mirror. I love all of you. Thank you for watching.